Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the washer jet pump on this Nissan Qashqai. This is a 2017 model Nissan Qashqai. So the location for the washer jet pump is under the right hand side wheel arch, just behind the bumper, just here, just going to point out. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the wheel arch liner. It's secured by a couple of scrivets, grommets. So we're just going to take the front bit out, this side here. Right, here we are. So to start off with, we'll have to remove the screws underneath the car. So these are the Phillips screws. There is one scrivet as well in the middle, just this one here. So we've removed this piece here. We'll also remove this screw here. One here. Okay, so this one is free. One here. Right, so we'll also have to undo the grommet here and here. One here. We're just gonna break it and then gonna replace it with a new one. There we go. So we are done underneath the bumper. Right, so just gonna remove these scrivets now. There we go. One here. There we go. One at the top here. There we go. There we go. Right, so now that we have removed all the scrivets on this side and underneath, so we're going to pull the wheel arch liner towards us. There we go. There's one more scrivet which we forgot to take out. Just going to do that. So just going to pull the liner out. So we're just going to pull it towards us like this, and then we're going to bend it like this. There we go, friends. What we've done is we've pulled the liner towards us, and I've rested it on the front hub on the disc. Here is the location for the pump, just here underneath. Right, so just gonna pull out these pipes, two of them. That's one. And then this one. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make sure that we keep the container underneath where we can save the washer jet fluid. Right, so in order to speed up the process, we're just going to pull the pump out. There we go. Nice and easy. Right, here we go. So we're just going to pull out the rubber washer here. There we go, that's the washer being pulled out. This one here. Right, here we go friends. This is the new part we bought from our local shop for £15. So we're just gonna fit that in. That's the old one here. Right, here we go. So we're gonna push this grommet back in first. Just like that. Gonna push it all the way in like this. We're gonna line up this pump. Just gonna push it all the way in. There we go, that's fully home. Right, next we're gonna connect the pipes. One is for the rear washer jet and one is for the front washer jet. There we go. Then gonna connect the harness. Just gonna push it in here. There we go. That's that done. So before we put everything back together, I mean the wheel arch liner and the rest, we're gonna test whether the pump is working properly or not. So before we test it, we're gonna fill the bottle up with the fresh screen washer fluid. Just gonna test the washer jets. Yeah, they're working fine now. Just gonna test the back ones as well. There we go, that's working fine as well. Right friends, now that we have fitted the new pump, so we're just gonna fit the wheel arch liner back into the wheel arch. There we go. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna insert it back in like this. Right, just gonna fit the skrillex. One goes here. There we go. One grommet goes in here. Right, one grommet goes here. There we go. Right, here we go friends. Now that we have fitted all the grommets inside the wheel arch liner, and the wheel arch liner is nicely secured, so we're gonna go under the car and secure the underbody tray and the wheel arch liner under the bumper. Right, so just gonna secure the underbody tray now. There we go. Just gonna, one grommet goes here, and then the stud. Just gonna fit this grommet now. There we go, that's nicely done. So it's just the spoiler here which we need to fit. So in the middle is the grommet, just here like that. So now we're gonna fit the screws. So one screw goes there. There we go. Nice and tight. There we go, one screw goes here. Here we go friends, we have fitted the new washer jet pump in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.